Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try and smash what's left of this 12 by 12 I Love School collection kit from Echo Park. I started using this kit, I think it was last year or maybe the year before. I used it to make some gifts for teachers at the school where my daughter works. And I thought that I should use up what's left. Now what's left in here is scraps from the 12 by 12 kit as well as scraps from the 6 by 6 paper pad. And you're going to see I have a lot of strips left as well as a lot of circles because I cut out circles from the pattern paper to make a window on my previous project. So I have a lot of circles left. I also have a lot of these little bits left and a few bigger sheets. Plus I have the sticker sheet and full sheets of 12 by 12 paper. So I do have quite a bit of the 12 by 12 paper left. So I think my main goal today is to finish up these smaller scraps, and if I can get to the bigger pieces, I'll do that as well. With that in mind, knowing that I have all these strips and all these circles, I thought, what better way to use all these scraps than to use a sheet load? And this month's sheet load happens to be perfect for using up the scraps that I have. Now, the sheet load is provided to Call Me Crafty Al's subscribers free, and I'll link to her channel in the description box below. So I'll put one together on camera and then I'll come back and show you how many cards I was able to complete and show you if I was able to smash the paper pad and the 12 by 12 kit. So I'm making these cards because my daughter asked me if I could make her batches of thank you cards, congratulations cards, happy birthday cards, sympathy cards, a wide variety of cards. Because what happens at the school site, and I know this from when I worked at a school site, is that the social committee is in charge of sending out cards for different occasions. And so instead of them having to run out and buy a bunch of cards, my daughter thought it would be nice to have some handmade cards available for them to choose from. And because this is for school staff, I thought I would use these school-themed papers. So let me show you what I have left. Here are all the cards I made, and this is what I have left from the 6x6 Mega Pad, and this is what was left from the 12x12 kit. I have the full sheet of stickers, and I have all the cut aparts left, which I'm probably going to use to make a mini album, because I do have another full kit of this I Love School collection from Echo Park. I think I'm going to add what I have left to my other collection kit so that I can make a mini album. Let me show you the cards that I did get done. I made a few with this thanks die. And if I used a black card base, I did put the white panel on the inside and some of those smaller strips for the inside as well. And here's another thanks style that I have. And both of these dies are from Simon Says Stamp. And I had those in my stash. I also did a couple of cards that said congrats. And then the rest I haven't put a sentiment on quite yet. I'm going to let my daughter choose what sentiment she wants on there because I'm going to give these to her to use for her staff. So I was able to complete a total of 49 cards. And I think that's pretty good considering that it wasn't even a full paper pad. It was my scraps that I used. I'll save this little bit I had from the 6x6 paper pad along with that collection kit as well, so that I have them available to use when I make my mini album. So I am considering that kit smashed as well as a 6x6 paper pad smashed. I'm doing it. I'm smashing at least one 6x6 paper pad a month, which is great for me. I am hoping to do more though. I know I did smash a few in January, but this is my first one for February. Let's see how many more I can get through. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.